So the first thing we did was to shift our weight to the right. The knees can be bent or straight. I'm not pushing off to get to the right. I am leaning over and then the left heel lifts. So now we are going to concentrate on the movements of the head. I'm going to shift over to the right. I'm going to stay over. And then I'm going to side bend my head. So I'm bringing my right ear to my right shoulder. And I'm going to bring my head to the center. And then I'm going to come back to center. So that's a specific sequence. I'm shifting my weight to the right. Then I tilt my head over to the right. You see there is a shorter distance between my right ear to my right shoulder. Then I bring it back between the shoulders, and then I bring myself back to the middle. I go over to the right. I tilt my head to the right, bring my head back to the middle in a diagonal, and then I come back. Shift the weight to the right, tilt the head, come back to the center with the head, and then come back to the center with the body. Do that 3 more times in your own pace. Over, no side bending of the head, returning to the middle, and then everything back to the middle. 1 more time. Shift to the right, tilt the head to the right, come back with the head to the center between the shoulders, and then come back to the middle. Now we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to lift the left heel. We're going to shift the weight, lift the left heel, tilt the head to the right, come back to in between the shoulder, and then come back with the left heel on the floor and weight in between. Do that like 3 more times. Shift your weight to the right, lift the left heel, tilt your head to the right ear to right shoulder, come back with the head between the shoulders, put the left heel down and bring yourself to the center. Now we're going to shift the weight to the right. Both feet are on the floor. Now we tilt the head to the left, come back to center, and come back to center with your body. Shift your head to the right, shift your body to the right, your weight, then tilt the head to the left, come back with the head to the center between the shoulders, come back with yourself to the right. And now shift your weight again to the right, tilt your head to the left, come back, and then back. Now lift the heel, the left heel, shift your weight to the right, tilt the head to the left, come back to center, come back to center with your body. Shift your weight to your right, lift the left heel, tilt the head to the left, come back with the head in between the shoulders, come back with the heel to the floor and be in the middle. Stay there. Take a few breaths. You can do it in any pace you want. You can do it slower, you can do it faster. Now we will go over to the right. As you go over to the right, you side bend the head to the right. And then come back.